In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsubscribe from constant contact. Whether you're looking to tidy up your inbox or just reduce the number of emails you receive, this simple process will help you manage your subscriptions with ease. Let's start by heading over to constantcontact.com. This is the website where all your email subscriptions and contacts are managed. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, you'll need to enter your login details to access your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing emails, newsletters, and campaigns. Now that you're logged in, look for the Contacts tab. It's typically located in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a section where all your contact data is stored. Here, you can see a list of all the email addresses that you've added, and it's also where you'll manage unsubscribes. Once you're in the Contacts section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice three small dots, often referred to as an options menu or more actions menu. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will open up a drop-down menu, providing you with several options related to your contacts and email management. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says unsubscribe email. Clicking this option allows you to select the specific email addresses you'd like to unsubscribe. This is particularly useful if you want to stop receiving emails from certain contacts without affecting others. Simply select the emails you wish to unsubscribe from your list. This action will ensure that you no longer receive communications from those specific addresses. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully unsubscribed from emails on Constant Contact. This process not only helps in decluttering your inbox, but also makes sure you're only getting emails that are relevant and important to you. Remember, managing your email subscriptions is a great way to keep your inbox organized and ensure you're only receiving content that you truly want. Constant Contact makes it easy with just a few simple steps. If you ever need to resubscribe, you can always reverse the process and add contacts back to your list. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.